What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link your Skype profile to your LinkedIn account. Having your contact details can be a great way for people to reach out to you whenever they need to, right? And I'm going to show you how easy it is to add this. Now, as you can see here, I'm on my LinkedIn profile and it's super easy to connect or link your Skype to it. So what you want to do, once you're on your profile, click where you see it says contact info. You can click that contact info here, and then you can click on the edit button there, that little pencil icon. And once you scroll down towards the bottom, you will have the instant messaging and you have the add messaging options. Now it offers a ton of different options as well that you can add. So you have Skype, you have ICQ, you have Google Hangouts, QQ, and even WeChat. So you can add these different options. Now let's focus on the Skype. So we'll leave it at Skype and you can add it there. So let's say my Skype username is Drew tutorial or something like that. I'm going to add it just for an example here. Let's say that's it. I'm going to go ahead and add that in and just simple click and save. And once this is done, guys, you will see that it's there. Now, in order to see that it's added, you want to quickly refresh your LinkedIn profile and you will be able to click on the contact info again, and you will see that your Skype info is added there. And if I scroll down, you will see that it shows on the IM, it says my username and it shows Skype in bracket there. So you can see right here that my instant messaging is added there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.